So I'm going to put some chives on here, on the sea trap, and some dill. Just want to impart a little bit of extra flavour. Then I'm going to use 4 parts sea salt, and a bit of demerara sugar, just to give it a bit of a sweet cure. Use about 80% to 20% salt to sugar ratio. Okay, then we're going to marinate that. So you can see after about 6 hours this is done. Okay, I've taken some of the salt off the end here because it's thinner, so we don't want it to overdo. Okay, so I'm just going to wash that off. Okay, so now we're taking all the salt and everything off. Just dried that, so just give it a pat dry, and then basically that's going to go back in the fridge overnight to dry out, and then we're going to smoke that in the morning. Okay, you can hang it up as well, but that's it, there you go. So we're going to go ready for smoke. I've got some beach chips in here. We've got our trout, our salmon trout, ready to go on. That's been drying overnight. And then you can either light this. This is a Pro Q smoker. I like this with a little blowtorch on those brulee things. And then we're going to leave this on for about 24 hours. So this will probably burn between 12 and 16 hours, and then we can put another one in. Alright? Just got to make sure what I do is light it up, put it on. I've got an offset barbecue here, but you can do it in any barbecue really. So I'll just light that up, and then what I do is just check it in about half an hour. So we pop our salmon on. Okay, and I tend to put the thicker side over with a smoke generator. Okay, so tend to check that in half an hour, make sure it's still burning. I'll keep my wood chips inside because some people have problems with them lighting or staying alight. So I suggest when you get these wood shavings or wood sawdust, keep them inside in the warm. Alternatively, they say that you can just give them 30 seconds in the microwave just to quickly dry them out.
After 12 to 20 hours,
see you in a bit.
then it should be ready. Right, to be safe, it should have lost 20% of its initial weight. Slice it up thinly and enjoy.